How to fix WhatsApp message sent but no blue tick. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp message sent but you are not seeing the blue tick if the person opened the message. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do, tap on this three dots at the top right side. Tap on these settings. Go to privacy. Scroll all the way to down. All you have to do, just make sure to turn on this option. As you can see, read receipt. So as you can see, my on is turned off, so make sure to turn it on. So if you turn on this option, so now you can be able now to see the read receipt or to see the blue tick on your WhatsApp. Tap on this. So as you can see, now I turn on this option. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like this video and ask question in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.